This is the elevator at Hollowood Music Sound in McKees Rocks, Pennsylvania. It's an old Haughton. This is a Dover Adams button there. What is it on the inside? Ooh. Basement. Type E black buttons. Oh yeah, this is cool. Here we go down. Basement. It's under level. This is the stock room. Go up to 3 for the music store. Interior up. Single speed. That is a rough vibrator. I'll go back down to 1. Wow. Certificate, that's an old certificate. Tray, the basic cab, carpeted with brass railings and tray lighting. This is a cool find. I thought there was like old freight that didn't work here. I'm not sure how recently this was inspected. This is cool. Basement and 3 have lockouts, but they're not in use.